Hello. Okay, so good morning. And from this view that you are seeing, I just woke up this early morning and we had a call that there is a mistake somewhere. So they called the whole team to come and correct these mistakes. So as you can see, look at this particular job that I'm showing you people now. It's a mess. It's a totally mess. So this is what happened. Sometimes you contact for steelworks, and after we discuss and charge for the work that we are about to do, then you'll be complaining the capital is too much. It's not about the capital is too much, but it's about what we are coming to do. So look at this work. These people charge a lot of money, but at the end of the day, look at what they did. And we are here to do corrections. We are here to correct the whole floor. Look at this. I'm even wondering if this floor can last for even 3 years. But for God being so good, we are here to correct the mistakes so that the owner of this particular building will get a good job. So as you can see, the guys are busy working there. It's not that they are working, but they are doing corrections. Corrections that can protect the building from collapsing. So this is before. I will come along with the after. Thank you. Wow. Thank God we are done for the day. We are done for the whole job too. Like I said earlier, I told you guys I will come along with the after. So this is the after. I'm a little bit tired, so I would not like to talk much this time. But this is the after. Well mesh. And we also load the beams which is supposed to be loaded. Like you can see over here, it's a hanging beam. We have about 8 bars in this particular short beam, same as the one over there. It was 4 before, but that's not the correct thing, so we decided to make it 8 for it to be possible to carry this particular beam that you are seeing. This is a hanging beam. We have nothing under the beam, so we have to load the bars which is going to carry that beam for it to be firm. So it's well loaded. So let me take you guys around for you to see. We came here to do corrections. So look, well double mesh. That's the engineer.
Have you seen it? Now we are finished. We are done. The outstanding beam. For here out in that piece. That's it. Yes. There's wind over here. The way you have suffered, no small.
So that was Ni for you, our chief steel bender here on the production group, working on one of our clients' hidden roof, installation of the iron rods, right? So this is also a different project. So far you've seen three different, projects in this video with different clients, right? So like I always share here, if you have your own mason, you have your own carpenter, and you lack any, artisans with your project, right? You can always come to the Gigo Production Group. And then if you go to my playlist, any artisans you are looking for, I have a video of all of them there. So you can just scroll, look at some of the videos. And I mean, if you look at the title, some of them will direct you, maybe exactly what you want to do with your project. We've done something like that. So if you click on the video, it will take you there directly. You see the work being done. If you're happy with them, you can move ahead and get in touch with them directly. I always post their number down there. Or maybe, I mean, you are also doing something with your project and you have your steel bender or your carpenter doing something that you think it's not right. You can always come to our videos, look at it, and show it to them that this is what we have done. Maybe they have a better explanation of what they are doing. I mean, there's so many ways of killing a cat, and maybe they can explain to you what they are doing. And I mean, you can always come back and comment down there, and we are ready to learn as well, right? So this is niche for you. If you have any project which has to do with steel bending, Nee is your guy. Nee can read the drawing. Nee has been working with a lot of engineers, not only with my engineer, has done major projects, right, with Chinese, Lebanese. I mean, if we should be posting the videos with, like the kind of projects we've been working, right, with people and clients, I mean, there's a lot, but most of them have their own company, so they just want to keep it to themselves. That's why, sometimes it's difficult to come out with those kind of videos. But trust me, me has been busy doing a lot of, still works, and he is very professional. So please, if you have any still works, consider using me. He will come to your site, take estimate, and give you the code. But please don't forget that, he travels to come to your place. It costs money to come, to take those measurements. It costs money to do those estimates. We have to find out the current prices of materials in your location, right? We cannot use the thermal prices. One thing that I've noticed is that thermal prices are always high. Thermal Prampram, Dowinya, in some part of Accra, the prices are very high comparing to working outside of Accra. So, we have to come and use, the materials, the price of the materials in your location. So we have to do that travel. So please consider giving at least something for their effort, right? So then I think this brings us to the end of today's episode. I really do appreciate your time spent here on the channel. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next episode. Let's get to it.